Hello guys, welcome back to Code and Test. Today I have brought you a interesting topic. So few of the colleagues and few of my subscribers asked me how you are doing this Microsoft certification and how much you are paying for each certification. So everyone know that each Microsoft certification cost around approximately 5,000 Indian rupee. So you need to find a way to clear these certifications free of cost, right? So today I have brought an interesting topic to my subscribers, to understand how to get these certifications free of cost, absolutely paying nothing. So let's go to this video. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel so that you can get some stuffs like this. And I'm giving some certification coaching as well, and the certification terms, and how to crack the interviews, and a few stuffs I'm going to give. So please subscribe my channel if you are watching for the first time. Okay. So how to do Microsoft Azure certification free. So that's the topic today. So moving to the certifications, I have already explained what are the different certifications which we have with Microsoft Azure, and I hope you guys have watched my prior videos, so you have some better understanding about all this stuffs. So we are mainly focusing on the data stuff. So Azure Data Fundamentals, Azure Data Engineer, Data Scientist, and AI Engineer. So this will be the primary set of certifications which we have already cleared, and that's what the coaching which is I'm going to give for these certifications, and I'll be providing terms as well for that. So please subscribe me to my channel so that you can also clear this Azure Fundamentals, Azure Data Engineering, Data Scientist, and AI finally into Solution Architect and DevOps Engineer. So I am basically into data side, so I am most preferably into this side. So if you are into this side, Azure Administrator, Developer, Database Administrator, or Security Engineer, I can give that terms as well, so that you can clear that as well. So how to clear this exam? So before going to how to apply for this exam, which is free of cost. So how? So let me explain with a real-time example. So hopefully most of my subscribers should be like from part of an MNC. So I'm taking some examples like TCS, Infosys, Cognizant. So any organizations, MNC organizations, might be Oracle or Salesforce. So whatever it is. So you might be part of this kind of MNC. So you do have some corporate accounts. Okay, so imagine I'm taking an example. I'm taking with an example of Cognizant. Okay, so Cognizant have some 3 lakhs plus employees. So for to work for this 3 lakh employees, we do have some 2 lakh extra employees, so who might be managing the stuffs and all things. So on and around, imagine that you have some 4 lakh employees for an organization. I'm taking an example as a Cognizant. So 4 lakh employees, and they do have a system, and they do need a Microsoft 365 account as well. It might be shared, might be some an independent so what you call it, license. So when you purchase these many to some lakhs of subscription from Microsoft will give a benefit for the corporates, like all the corporate employees which have some domain of their company, and if the corporate is tie up with Microsoft, you can get all the certification for free. So might be most of the people who work in the corporates, might be for Infosys, TCS, and all these people, right? They are not aware about that. They do have the hidden feature inbuilt with their organization. So how to avail this? So let's go to directly into uh, how to achieve this. So I have logged into Google with my code and test account. So you can also do that with your personal Gmail account. And so I'm just going with Microsoft certification. Certification. Yeah, I have the list. Yeah. So go to this Microsoft certification. So hope you guys are already familiar with all this UI. This is a homepage of this certification Microsoft. So if you can, each one can choose each on their own specialization. If it a developer, data engineer, DevOps, administrator, data scientist. So my personal space is data engineer, data science, and AI. So this is the horizontal of mine. So I am into this. I have completed already data engineer. I have already completed data science and AI. So I'm into data analytics and skills. So this is preferably for me. So if you guys are into, I'm made to do this solution architect. So hopefully once after clearing the interview, not interview, sorry for that, clearing the certifications, I can give much stuffs about the solution architect as well. So imagine I'm going to take some, so which certification I can take? Okay, I can go with a solution architect, one of the exams. So you know what is how is the path should go. So first you have to clear the Azure certificates and Azure fundamentals, then you can go for one of this exam. So so you know this how I have given over here, right? So if, when you go to solution architect, you have to clear this issue fundamentals, and you have to be part of this, any of this associate certification. Then you have to go with the solution architect for the better understanding. So imagine you are going to take data engineering, so you can directly go with Azure data fundamentals. Then for data engineer, it doesn't matter that you can have to go within the sequential order. So if you know much about this, how the cloud computing works, or you have the basics of AWS or GCP, then I hope this will be helpful. But preferably you have to go with these fundamentals, because in fundamentals they have covered almost each and every corner of this Azure. So if you are coming directly to this data engineering courses, means there might be something will be new to you. There will be some set of certification courses available in Udemy, and also you can go preferably, it's according to you. So let's move to the topic. So I'm as of now I'm going to the solution architect. So how to take this? So here, solution architect, this is exam, so I can click this exam. Okay, warning AZ and will retire on March, and new exam will be AZ 305. So it's an it's a new news for me as well. So 303 and 304, it's kind of a two certification you need to take to be in an architect. So as of now, it's kind of going to be a new certificate AZ 305. That's a good news. So we'll be focusing on how to take up with AZ 305, because I have taken prior exams, but AZ 305 is kind of a new, so better I am going to prefer with 305 instead of 303 and 304. Okay, fine. That's a new information. It's helpful. But how to take this certification free of course? Coming to this Dotum, so you have this online free instructor led. So personally suggest to go through these links if you're going for a certification, if you're paying from your own pocket. So how to take it free of course? So here you have this exam schedule exam. So 165 USD dollar is required. So if you are from India, so see 4,800 INR is required to complete this exam. So you can avail it for free. So schedule exam, go to schedule exam, then wait for until it comes to your dashboard. So code and test at gmail.com. Code and test at gmail.com. So what will be my Gmail account? I just missed it. Code test track. Sorry for that. So giving your password, and you keep it with you and say yes. So I'm just logging with my Gmail account to continue to enroll for my certification. Just waiting until it comes. Okay, so now you have got the details. Please hold. So you can see that dashboards getting loaded. So guys, this is the home page of this Microsoft Learning, and we have subscribed with our Gmail ID, and so you have to give some basic details like what is the job title and all the things in the certification profile. Once after clicking this certification profile, you can go over here to continue to the next page. So here is the main thing, what you have to do to make it free of cost when you take the certification. So let it complete, please hold. Yes, so we got this and enter the email to check for the discount. So hopefully how you'll do is like you'll be giving your Gmail ID over here. So here you should not give your Gmail ID because you don't have any subscription with the Microsoft and you don't have some what do you call it, discounts available from your Gmail ID. So what you can do is like you have to give it your corporate account. So imagine there your what you call Gmail ID is come something called what you call Alex or something. So Alex at the rate if you're from Cognizant, it will be like at the rate cognizant.com. If you're from Infosys, at the rate infosys.com. If you're from TCS, at the rate tcs.com. So that Oracle. So your corporate account. So whatever you have the corporate account, give this your corporate account over here. Then check eligibility. So eligibility, when you check give the eligibility here, the discounts will be getting available over here. So discounts means if you are with the top MNC and top tier MNC, then it will be 100 percentage discounts available. So you don't want to pay even 1 rupee over here. So all the 4,800 rupee will be available with your discount. So giving your corporate account, check eligibility here, the discounts will be. So imagine that you are from a small organization and you do have a corporate account, but you are not sure how much that things will be coming over here. So you can give your corporate account, might be based on your organization size or the number of accounts which they have with Microsoft. The number of discounts or the percentage of the discounts vary. Might be 50%, it might be 80%. So if you, I'm pretty sure that if you are from a top MNC from India or anywhere from the world, and you can achieve this 100% discount over here. So just try it out, guys. I have done it, so I don't want to give my personal details and I don't want to give my corporate account over here to get show all those things it's because it's kind of a violation of policies. So what you can do is like try it out. So if any one of us not getting, just keep me posted so that I can connect with you personally and can give some information about that. Okay, hope today's session was interesting to you, and so that's all for the today's and topic. So that's what I was trying to show today. So I hope you got like how we are going to get the certification for free of cost. So the only prerequisite and only condition should be like you should be part of an MNC. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel if you're watching for the first time, and share to your friends. Like this is like an important information so that you can crack all the certification which is listed from the listed in Microsoft. So if you have this trick, then you can do all the certifications from top from bottom, and we can expert in Azure engineering. So as of now, hopefully most of my subscribers have already cleared this Azure fundamentals and Azure fundamentals, because I do get messages from people like said I have cleared the certification with your terms and those things. So thanks for that. Keep watching my channel. Thank you for your support. Bye bye. Happy learning. Bye bye.